Statutory Declaration Act Cap 15, and in the matter of Public Officers Ethics Act number 4 of 2003, and in the matter of Machakos University Council, Vice Chancellor, I, Professor Joyce Chepkirui Agalo, a duly appointed Vice Chancellor of Machakos University, do make oath and state that in the exercise of my powers and the performance of my duties as Vice Chancellor of the Machakos University, 1, I will abide by the University's Act and in accordance with the law and the public trust placed in me. 2, I will act impartially and with integrity, putting the interests of the university above my own personal interests and in the interest of my organization with which I am affiliated. I will avoid all conflicts of interest, whether real or perceived, declare any private interest relating to my duties, and take steps to resolve any conflicts arising in a manner that protects the university interest. I will conduct myself honestly and ethically in a manner that maintains and enhances the public trust and confidence in the governance of the university and does not bring it into disrepute. I will safeguard confidential information, not divulging it unless I am either authorized to do so or required to do so by law. I will base my decisions on the objective evidence that is available to me. I will ensure that other memberships, directorships, voluntary or paid positions, or affiliations remain distinct from work and are taken in the course of exercising my powers of performance, my duties as Vice Chancellor. I will not share any university information, documents, and or otherwise in my possession or of which has come to my knowledge at a meeting or in any other form without the approval of the Council. I understand that failure to abide fully by the above confidentiality oath is grounds for discipline up to and including termination of services as Vice Chancellor. I acknowledge that this oath shall remain in force during and after the end of my term of office with Machakos University. So help me God.